The amelanism marker is confirmed. This one goes to process A.
Agreed. The anerythrism sequence over here is only suitable for data archiving.
Verified. Cleared.
The successful initiation of the breeding cycle is confirmed. This delicate biological interaction is essential for our model P-G8 egg production.
This QR links directly to the parental genetic data and the expected morph output,
ensuring rigorous tracking for every P-G8 juvenile.
The arm gently rotates each egg by a precisely calculated fraction of a degree every 12 hours, mimicking...
The sorted juveniles are placed into the temperature gradient systems, beginning the long-term industrial conditioning phase.
A juvenile snake has shed its skin, which is collected by a targeted vacuum system. It is immediately scanned.
The scale of the Process growth zone is immense, utilizing robotic automation to mass-produce the model P-G8 snake.
with the final container secured.
Encryption sequence G-Data P-8 initiated.
Cryptographic keys generating now. Looks stable.
Handover confirmed. Model G-Data P-8.
Acknowledged. Transfer complete. Comparing the samples reveal the inconsistencies in the external data. This reinforces the superior purity of our Model G data. This report provides unparalleled transparency, tracing the lineage all the way back to the original breeding stock.
Look at this sequence here on the G-Data-P8. The correlation with the desired morph is undeniable.
Yes, tapping here
The standardized naming convention for G-P8 looks good.
Agreed. I've applied the metadata tags for the Pantherophis studies.
Confirmed.
As you can see, the data specifically confirms these Pantherophis Guttatus are ideal for the next generation.
And the viability rate.
Remains above 90%.
Are there any hidden recessive genes we should be concerned
It
about?
says it's secret. Let me verify with the archive. No,
Okay.
the data confirms complete absence.
Build just rat murder. As you can see, the Pantherophis Guttatus genome from the Model G Data P8 archive
Analysis confirms the D34A marker flags a susceptibility to common scale infections. Recommend immediate activation of the preventative husbandry protocol.
The G-Data P8 integration is complete. The AI is processing the allele data now.
And the predictive visualization confirms the expected phenotypes.
Zorschnerge. The model the P8 archive and G8 archive should verify Sunderwurzelride, the data manufacturing process.
Render. Thanks to the G-Data P8 archive, we have achieved verifiable breakthroughs.
The predictive models confirm it. We greenlight the Amelanistic line and focus breeding efforts on this group. The data loop is complete.